Wiley. So it is September 11th, 2012. Wiley is 8, almost 9 months old. And he's just about walking. Can you stand up on that chair? Let's show them what you can do. Here. Here you go. Let's see you. Are you going to stand up? Stand up. There you go. Stay. Yeah, there you go. You pushing it. Yeah, look at you walking, big boy. I know. She's so excited. I know.
What's that? Okay. We need to wipe off your face.